This video is a reminder on how to divide fractions. So our first problem says 2 divided by 3/4. So we said in class there's 3 steps to dividing fractions. The first one is to keep this number the same. So you bring this one just straight down, keep that the same. We're going to change the division symbol, we're going to change it to multiplication. That's step 2. And the third step is to take this fraction and find the reciprocal, which you learned in class is like the opposite. So we're going to flip it over. So the reciprocal is going to be 4/3. And so now this says 2 times 4/3. So all we do is multiply. So to change, we have to change 2 to a fraction. So we put it over 1. Now we just multiply across. 2 times 4 equals 8. 1 times 3 is 3. So we get 8/3, which is an improper fraction. And we cannot leave it improper, so we have to divide to get a mixed number. So we're going to do 8 divided by 3. Okay, 3 goes into 8 just 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, and you get a remainder of 2. So now we got to make our mixed number. And so we remember that this is always your whole number up top. So put that out front. Then you take your remainder and you put it over what you divided by. So we get an answer of 2 2/3 as our answer to the first problem. Okay, the second problem has a mixed number, 2 2/5 divided by 1/2. So before you can start, you have to do the check method. So remember, the check method is to do 2 times 5, and then you come up here and you add the 2. So we're going to do 2 times 5, which is 10. We have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 2 2/5 changes into 12 over the same denominator, which is 5. And then we have divided by 1/2. So just like we did in the previous problem, move this up here. So we're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to change this to multiplication. And then the last fraction we flip over, find the reciprocal. So this would be 2/1. So now we can just multiply across. 12 times 2 is 24. 5 times 1 is 5. So once again we get we get an improper fraction again. So we have to divide one more time. Okay, and 5 goes into 24 about 4 times, which is 20. Subtract, get a remainder of 4. So remember, this is our whole number. So we put 4 out front, and we put this 4 over the 5 to get an answer of 4 4/5.